What is going on, guys? It's Justin for the J Media, back with another video. So today we will be installing some LED headlight bulbs on a 2010 Honda Civic, an 8th gen Honda Civic, and we do have some new LED bulbs here from AUTOONE. So big thank you to AUTOONE for sending these out. These are the 9006 or HB4 bulb size, meant for the 8th gen Civics, 6000K bright white. So right now we do still have the stock halogen bulbs in the car. We'll show you guys in a minute. This used to be my wife's car, and then she passed it down to our sister-in-law. So yeah, we'll be throwing on some LED bulbs. It's gonna look so much better and nicer compared to the stock halogen bulbs. Okay, and before I start, let's go ahead and open up the car, show you guys the stock halogen bulbs, see how they look. So they aren't very bright and they don't last very long. So switch it on. So this is how it looks with the stock halogen bulbs. Here's another angle. Stock halogen bulbs, like I said, not the brightest. So besides the bulbs, one thing I noticed is the lens is also a little bit, cloudy and fogged up over time. This is a car from 2010, so what I'll probably also do is get to restoring the headlights, get it nice and clear. So this is how the headlight lens look right now, a little bit hazy. I'm gonna bust out the headlight lens restorer, buff it out real quick. Just did a quick little restoration of the headlights. Looks so much better. And look at the other side. Other side's too hazy. So let's go ahead and knock it out, and then we'll install the LED bulb. Wow, so night and day difference. Look at how clear the lens are. Highly recommend. You can buy this headlight lens restore from any auto parts store, AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Advance Auto. Now for the actual install, we're going to go ahead and throw on these AUTOONE LED bulbs. Okay, so let's show you guys what's in the AUTOONE bulb box. Let's open it up. Nice instruction manual and the LED bulbs. So I've said this many times before, but one of the advantages to it. Alright, so there you have it. Nice product feel. So there are quite a few reasons why you want to upgrade to LED bulbs. Newer cars usually already come from the factory with LED bulbs, but for an older car like this 2010 Honda Civic, they do come stock with halogen bulbs. LED bulbs, they last a lot longer, they stay cool a lot better, so it doesn't overheat as much as the ballast in a halogen bulb. Also a lot brighter. So this is a 6000K bright white. You guys saw earlier, it's kind of like yellow, so this color is much better, much brighter at night. Okay, and on the 8th gen Civics, most of the cars you are able to reach your hand in here and grab the bulb and change it out, but for the 8th gen Honda Civic design, you do actually have to turn your wheel and get it from the fender liner. So let's go ahead and work on it first. Let's work on the driver's side first. Start up the car, turn the wheel all the way to one side so we can pry it from the fender liner. Okay, so we have the Civic started, have the wheel turned. So fender liner is this piece right here. You want to go ahead and pry it. There might be some tabs. You can use a flat tip screwdriver just to pry it open, and then you should be able to kind of wedge your hand in there and bend this fender liner backwards, just so you can get some clearance to fit your hand in there. So there's the bulb right over there. I'm gonna fit my hand in there and grab it out. So there we have it. The halogen bulb is out. So once you pry the fender liner, you can fit your hand in there You want to turn it lefty-loosey to loosen it. Once it comes off the clip, there's this little spot right here that you press, and it pretty much acts like kind of like a spring, a clip, pops right out. So there you have it. And here's a comparison between the OEM halogen bulb versus the AUTOONE aftermarket LED bulb. So much more compact, and you can see with the halogen bulb you might accidentally break this casing, overheat, it's more brittle, doesn't last as long, isn't as bright. It's a whole lot that can go wrong. With the LEDs, it's nice and compact design. There's usually a built-in fan, keeps it nice and cool, gives it nice, bright, crisp white. So really excited to throw this on. Alright, and to throw it on, everything's in reverse. So bring this over here. You're gonna pull down the fender liner, clip it back in place with the wiring harness. This time you're gonna go righty-tighty and tighten it. So now that the bulb is in place, you can go ahead and put your little plastic tabs back on the fender liner. So everything's in reverse. Get a little clip, nice and flush. Press it down. So let's go ahead and turn it on, test it out. Nice bright white, looks great. And here's a little comparison shot, halogen versus LED. Let's look at how much brighter it is. Alright, so one side down, let's go ahead and do the exact same thing on the passenger side. Let's go and knock it out real quick. So I'm going to turn your wheel to the other side so you have more clearance on the fender liner.
A few moments later.
And there we have it. Other passenger side is done. So much brighter. Again, bear in mind this is daytime, so at night or early in the morning this is going to look so much brighter. What do you guys think? I think it looks amazing. Nice crisp white is going to be so much brighter. Alright, another LED install in the books. So like I said, this is a super easy DIY install. Anybody can do it, even if you don't have any tools or you don't have any experience. You can get it done really easy. This specific install is for the 8th gen Honda Civics, so 2006 to 2011. If you have a different car, different generation, different year, make and model, doesn't really matter. For the most part, the installs are either through your fender liner for the headlight bulb or from the engine bay where you can fit your hand in. So hope you guys like this simple DIY video. If you guys want to buy your AUTOONE LED bulbs, I'll have it in the description link right up top. You make sure to use my code for a discount. We did it a few months back on my father-in-law's 2008 Honda Accord. Right now we're doing on my sister-in-law's Honda Civic. So hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and we'll catch you guys in the next video.